Welcome back to my channel. In this current tutorial, I'm talking about the Unibasic programming, and in the Unibasic programming, we are going to discuss and learn the phantom process. Okay, so this is again totally a different topic, and if you are really working in a Unibasic environment, then only you need to look into this tutorial. Okay, so yeah, so what is phantom process and what it is used for? So at any moment you want to learn about uh, a command or anything in Unibasic, you can always refer to the help command. So let's say if I want to know about phantom, so I would just type help phantom. So what it is going to show me? So phantom is a process or a tool which is used to execute a command or a process in background. Okay, and it cannot accept any input from the terminal. Okay, so we are going to see how we can feed input also, okay, to the phantom process. But usually if you want to run a program using phantom, so it should be a standalone without a human intervention. So if it is taking a lot of time, many times you don't want to wait for a program to finish, and at the same time you want the tickle to be useful for yourself. So in this case you can use phantom, so it will take the program or the command in the background, and at the same time you can do your own work. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is the syntax of phantom. Okay, so if you use SQUAWK along with phantom, so it is going to show you the file where the output is going to be saved. Okay, so yeah, it displays the record ID where the file, the output of the uh, phantom process will be saved. So anything that happens in the when you run the phantom process, the output is captured and stored in the ph1, which is a type 1 file. Okay, and yeah, of course, there is a limit, like how many phantom programs you can run. Okay, so the system is full, it will show this message like no phantom free programs available, and if it is available, it will run the process. Okay, so now we are going to see how to run a phantom program. So I have this program with me right now, which I'm going to use as an example. So this is my program, which is nothing but a list of display outputs. Okay, so if you simply run this program, it is going to display the output on the screen. Okay. Now, let's assume it's a very huge program and which is doing some manipulations in the background. I mean, it is doing some processing and it's taking a lot of time. In that case, you won't want it to be running like this. You would want it to be running in the background. Okay. So to do that, you can always run this phantom and then you can use SQUAWK and then the command. So command can be anything. It could be your paragraph or it could be any command like this. Okay. So when you run this, see it is giving you a message like phantom process started with a process ID. So this is the process ID which is assigned to the process. You can always see that using the status me command. Okay. If you run this C status me command, um, it is showing you the processes which are available. But yeah, this process is completed. It's no more present. Okay, so that's the reason it is not being displayed here. Okay. Now at the same time, it is also going to show you the record which stores the output of the program in the ph file when you use this option SQUAWK. If you don't use this option, it is not going to display you the record ID in the ph file. Okay, let's see now the where the output is stored. Okay, so it is always stored in the ph file. You can go there and the output of the command is stored, output of the phantom process is stored in this format: the command verb underscore the time and then underscore the date. Okay, so this time and date is unique, and this is always the first word of the command that you execute. So here the command is run bp, so first word is run, so it will be run. So as we know, it should start with run, so I'm just giving run and then the starting. So you can see it is referring to this one like 41975. Okay, so let's just see the output of the phantom process. Okay, yeah. So this is the output of the phantom process. So whatever happened when you ran this program is being shown in the output, and it is captured in the ph file. Okay, so this is the use of phantom process, and it's very useful when you are running a long process and which is time consuming. So you don't want it to you don't want to wait for a long time to run the command in the foreground. uh, if- it's always better to run in the background, and when it completes, it is always be the output will be available in the ph file. And of course, if the notify is on, if there is a notify command, if the notify on is set, then you will be able to see the notification of the phantom process right where you are logged in. If notify is off, when you log in next time, it will be displayed. But if notify is on, when the moment the phantom process completes, you will get a message like, yeah, the phantom process is complete. Okay, so that's all in this tutorial I wanted to discuss about the phantom process. If you have any questions, you can directly ask me in the comment section. And please subscribe and share. Thank you.